Hi, Julian. Thanks for getting back. So I reviewed your website, n5now.com. I like the logo a lot, but yeah, already right off the bat. So I think the dark theme is fine, but this CTA, your button is too small. It's not contrasting. I would have done something brighter on this. There's no video, so having a video VSL right up front is really good. I understand you're a systematics platform, but stating more the USP in your header, just the benefit, the main benefit. The header is usually stating like what you'll do for your customer, and then the subheader is how. So, like, it sounds very complex, right? It's like we'll develop the way out of your complex legacy system into, but I think just getting more into the specifics here in the subheader with the how. Yeah, the navigation, the UX of this is not optimized. Just with this, I couldn't click this. I would instead have like one main video up here, and your social proof I notice is way down here. So social proof is something you should put second. You should usually hero, benefits, social proof. Then, I would, instead of having this where it's taking up a lot of real estate, I would do more like a one animated line hovering over, sliding. That would be way more optimized. It's a lot of information here, but the spacings are off. I would change the space. The most important thing is changing the spacings and the sizings, and then having that framework, that structure. So it's just, I would have more of just one condensed area of benefits, services you provide, just making it very clear. So I understand that it looks like you're dealing with a lot of, high-end, very intelligent financial firms and whatnot, but just not dumbing it down, but just making it more simple and streamlined, having, benefits, top 3 to 4 main benefits, and then also more the services and features you offer, probably usually condensed into six. Six is usually a good idea. But yeah, there's a lot more we can do and discuss. Are you free Monday or Tuesday around 12 or 1?